Hi guys, here is the tutorial on how to run the Sawgrass Print Manager direct from Adobe Photoshop on Windows. The version of Photoshop that I am using here is 2022. So let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, our design is ready to go. So all you need to do is head on over to the top left hand side of the screen and click File, head down to Print, and you just need to make sure that your printer is selected as the Sawgrass Print Manager, and from there you just need to click Print. And there we go, Print Manager is up and running. As you can see, we can play around with the different type of substrate that we want to print onto here. We can also choose our paper type, we can change the print quality, and we can also mirror the image if we need to. This particular setting that I have here is the setting that I would recommend for our Sublimation HTV, and it's also worth making a note of, if you are using our Sublimation HTV, you don't want to mirror your image, guys, okay? In the Print Manager you can also play around with your layouts. You can also increase the number of copies that you need. You can have a play around with the color settings, and you can also print file if you so wish. Once you're happy with everything within Print Manager, you just need to click Print and you're done. Your design is now printing. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Until next time, take care.